Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Moros y Cristiano, which is Cuban black beans in a rice cooker. Now normally you make it on top of a stove in a pot, or you make it sometimes in a pressure cooker like an Instant Pot or whatever, but I'm going to show you how to make it in an ordinary rice cooker. Hola mis cariños, les voy a mostrar cómo hacer Moros y Cristiano en una arrocera. Para los ingredientes necesitamos frijoles cocidos, caldo de frijoles, jamón o tocino, arroz, aceite, cebolla, ajo, pimiento rojo y verde, ají cachucha, oregano, comino, sazón completa, y también sal y pimienta. So now we're going to start making our sofrito. I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, but you can use lard if you prefer to keep it traditional. But to make it more healthier, I'm using olive oil. Ahora le puse 2 cucharadas de aceite, pero puede usar manteca si quiere una receta más tradicional. Estoy salteando pimiento, cebolla y ajo con cerdo. I'm sauteing the peppers, the onion, and the garlic along with the pork, so that I can start making the sofrito for the beans. If you would like to see the video on how to make Cuban black beans, I will leave a link in the bottom of the comment section. Si quieres ver el video cómo hacer frijoles negros, dejaré un link en los comentarios. Now our sofrito is ready and we're going to add it into the rice cooker. El sofrito está ready y le voy a mezclar con arroz. So now I'm going to take the sofrito, add it into the rice cooker. And normally I like to stir fry my rice with the sofrito, but in this case I can't do it because of the type of rice cooker that I have. It's a simple one. So I'm just going to mix everything together and it will still turn out fine. I'm going to add in my dry seasoning and then mix that together, then add my broth in it and then the beans. Normalmente me gusta sofreír el arroz con sofrito, pero en este caso no puedo porque el tipo de arrocera que tengo. Next, I'm going to add in 2 cups of bean broth. And in this case, you don't want to add any water to this. You want to use all of the bean broth so that you can have that rich, deep brown color. Ahora le voy a poner 2 tazas de caldo y este punto no añade agua porque el arroz no tendrá un color oscuro. So now you're going to mix everything together and then you're going to add in your beans and then you're going to cover your pot and let it cook down to about 20 minutes. My rice cooker cooks in about 20 minutes and they'll be done. But every rice cooker is different, so just go according to what type of rice cooker you have. Okay, mezcla todo muy bien y tápalo y cocinalo durante 20 minutos más o menos. Depende qué tipo de arrocera que tengas. Como puede ver, el arroz está muy oscuro. Qué rico se ve. And here you have a delicious, deep-colored Moros y Cristiano. And you can also do the same thing if you're making Congri with red beans. También puede hacer lo mismo si está haciendo Congri con frijoles colorados. Well, my friends, it's time for me to go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below, please. And also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any recipes. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell. I also have a new Facebook group called Cooking the Cuban Way. Stop by and check it out. Bueno, mis cariños, es hora para ayudarme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like, suscríbete a mi canal y haz clic la campana para no perderte mis videos. Hasta la próxima. Muchas bendiciones. Bye bye.